everyone, it's Emily, and today I'm doing my dorm tour. I've been wanting to show you guys my dorm since I moved in, but I just haven't had the time to do a room tour for you guys. But now I'm finally doing it since my finals are over. I live at the towers of Boston University, which is right behind the business school. I am a business student, so that's so convenient for me. And yeah, I am so excited for you guys to see my dorm. I live in room 914 West, in case any of you guys want to live in the same dorm as me. But yeah, if you live in 914 in the future, I would love to see how you decorated it, and I honestly would love to visit. But if you want to see how I decorated my dorm this year, just keep watching. So this is how my door looks like. My roommate got us a sign that says welcome on it, and it used to light up, but then the batteries died, so it doesn't light up anymore, but it's still super cute. And my RA put these envelopes up in the beginning of the year with their name on them and which college we're in. So I'm in Questrom, and she also put this little sticky note that says you're amazing, which I thought was so cute. But yeah, our door is super simple, but when you open our door, our room is completely like decked out with pictures and lights, and I think it's so cute. So here's a quick overview of our dorm. My side of the room is this left side. So the first thing you see when you walk in and turn to your left is my wardrobe. And it might not look super big on camera, but it does fit a lot of stuff. I decided to hang up most of my clothes just because I have like the ability to, and back at home I would have to fold all of my clothes because my room back at home is not that much bigger than my dorm. And up here I have clothes that I just got from Abercrombie. I'm trying to do this huge Abercrombie haul for you guys in the upcoming weeks because Abercrombie has been one of my favorite stores growing up, and recently all of their stuff has been so cute. And then over here on the right I have two shoe boxes. So I recently got two pairs of shoes. I got a pair of little booties from Steve Madden, and then I also got the Nike Air Force Ones, which I think are so cute. But over here, when you close my closet, I have a command hook, and this is where I keep my robe and my towel, which I take with me every time I shower. And then over here I have my two purses. So I have my Gucci bag and then my other Gucci bag that my roommate got me for Christmas. And over here we have my dresser, and this is where I keep like my workout clothes and my undergarments and just like little things like that. So first up here we have my favorite perfume. This smells so good. I've been using this since like sophomore year of high school, and it's so cheap and affordable. It's Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction. And then I have this Portland gear cap that my roommate got me because she's in Portland, and I'm actually trying to visit her this summer. Over here I have my Boston University cap that I got when I first visited the school. And then I have these two caps from Urban Outfitters, and I actually have not worn the red one at all, but I think it's so cute. I'm so proud of the way I set up this like underbed area. I copied my roommate, and my shoe rack actually used to be above my desk, but I took it off and I put it below my bed so I could keep my shoes on it, and I just thought that was so clever, and I definitely stole that idea from my roommate. So behind my dresser I have my yoga mat, and then I have my tripod, my Tide Pods, my dryer sheets, some boxes, my ironer, my mini carry-on suitcase, and a Christmas tree when it was the holidays. I also have my ironing board, and then I have my dirty clothes basket. I have some weights, so I have some ankle weights, two 15 dumbbells, two 10-pound dumbbells, and two 5-pound dumbbells. I also have my umbrella. Over here I have my shower caddy, and I keep it on this hook that I got from Kohl's. Over here is my desk area. This is where I am the majority of the day, especially this week. It's finals week. On my wall I have these three little bulletin board set up. This is a picture of me and my favorite teacher ever, Mr. Hanzaneri. I had him for AP Lit, then he was my drama teacher. He's also my tennis coach and my play director, and literally like completely changed my high school experience. Best teacher ever. Here I have some string lights, and then I have a bunch of pictures of my friends and I attached to them. So over here we have my desk area, and I love my desk. I think it's so cute. So the first thing you see to the left of my desk is this water kettle. I love making tea, so this is so useful. And then over here I have this water bottle that my roommate got me. And then over here in the middle of my desk I have my printer, and this has come in handy so often. I can like print without leaving my room. And to the right of my printer I have my Keurig, and then I have this Fidelity mug that I got when we visited their headquarters. And then over here I have this bowl that I got from Target and this lamp that I got from Target that literally has not been plugged in all year, but I just plugged it in for this video. And I think it's so cute. Sorry if the lighting just changed. I just put down my blinds because it was getting so bright. But on my windows, I have this decoration that I got from Target, and I got it in the fall time, but I love fall so much, and I thought these leaves were so cute that I just kept them on year round. But our desks have drawers, and in this drawer, this is like the narrow one, I keep a bunch of miscellaneous things. And then over here, we have some more drawers, and these drawers obviously fit more stuff, so they are a little bit messier. This first one, I keep my binders. The second drawer, I have a bunch of beauty stuff. So I have my hair dryer, and my roommate lets me blow dry my hair at like 3 a.m. in the morning, and she doesn't wake up, which I think is like a blessing. This last drawer, I keep several cup noodles for easy access. Lysol spray, my Lanza shampoo. I absolutely love this shampoo. It smells so good, but it's kind of like on the expensive side, so I kind of try to save it. And next to those drawers, I have this other drawer unit that I got from Target, and above that, I have my makeup bag that I got from Vera Bradley, my hairbrush, and then in the first drawer, I keep all of my folders and my finance textbook. And then over here I have all of like my medicine, pads, tampons, Allegra, because I have terrible allergies. And oh, down here I have like these keychains that we made for student government when we ran for like president stuff. And over here I have some miscellaneous things. I have a bunch of Brita filters because I bought myself a Brita in the beginning of the year, and then I completely broke it before I even moved in. And next to this drawer, between my two drawers, I keep my laptop case because I never use it, so that's why that's there. And then above this, we have our mirror, and that's me. And next to the mirror on my side, I put some more pictures. I just love having my friends from home all over my room. Above the mirror, we have this little ledge area. Sorry the lighting in my room is being so weird. But in that basket, I have a ton of snacks, and then next to it, I have a pack of pita chips. So over here, we have our little micro fridge unit. So we have a microwave, and then we have a fridge and a freezer. Above the microwave, I have my little toaster oven, and I got this off of Amazon. It's literally like the best thing ever. So you can like toast something up in here, but then you can also put like bagels in here, and I just think it's so amazing. But yeah, you're not technically supposed to have that in the dorms. And over here, my roommate, I almost said my sister, she has her essential oil diffuser. We have this giant roll of paper towels that I stole from my house because I hate paying for daily needs. And over here we have our microwave, and I thought it was cute to put a little cutout of Aleja and I on the microwave. This whole thing, including the microwave, is a rental from BU. But yeah, that's everything on this side of the room. We will move on to my bed. This is literally the first time I've made my bed since I moved in, so you're welcome. I did it just for this video. Over here I have my laptop, my little seat cushion thing that I love to lean against. It's from Target. And I have my little stuffed animal from BU. And over here I have two blankets. One is just for like decoration, and the other one I love like cuddling with. And over here we have the back of my door, and then we have this long mirror that I brought from home, and my roommate's boyfriend decorated it. But yeah, that's everything that's in my room. So that was my dorm tour. I hope you guys liked it. I've been wanting to do this video for you guys for so long, and I'm so glad I've finally done it. I already know this video is gonna be so fun to look back on, just because your first year is honestly so memorable, and I know that I'm gonna want to look back on this. So I'm so glad I finally did it for you guys, and if you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, comment any videos you guys want to see, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!